morning, mi gente. It's Louis de Bolman. Wepa! Hey guys, great day. It's a beautiful day today. It's a nice, beautiful fall day. But guess what? Work gotta get done. Today we were called from a customer here in Massapequa, New York. They had a gas leak. Well, they were smelling gas, and the neighbors also complaining about a gas smell. And guess what? We found it. We found a gas leak. Let me show you. So, we're working outside by the gas meter. And as you guys can see, I'll show you guys. The pipe was going through this wall right here, feeding the supply, the gas supply to the house. But it was corroded. People were smelling about a funny gas smell. The problem was it's in the wall, but it was partially outside. So every once in a while they'll get a whiff of it, but it wasn't consistent. It was like intermittent. So then we found the source of the problem, which I'm going to show you right now in the pipe. So check it out, guys. This is years of deterioration. I know people think that water doesn't corrode or water doesn't cause damage, but this actually water ate through this pipe and corroded and made a couple of pinholes. I mean, right now it's a little bent. Let's just give you a little perspective of what's going on. So that's exactly where the gas leak was coming from. You can look at the integrity of the pipe here and look at over here. So as you know, gas is very dangerous. Gas is nothing that you want to play with. So if you do have a gas leak, any issue with gas, you can call a professional. You either call National Grid or your local gas utility company to shut your gas down. Or it could be Louis the Borderman at New York Border and Air Conditioning Repair. Talk to you soon.